What's up? So as you can see, I'm in my little doorway majig thingamajig. But today, oops, I will be going to the doctor for my post-op appointment. Now, on the 4th they made it a month, but the day that they wanted me to come, I was not able to come. So I am going today to get a little checkup just to make sure things are going like they're supposed to be going, uh, and to check on my incision. Now, for my incision, I do feel some numbness. Um, there is some feeling that has not came back to my stomach. It doesn't bother me, but it just feels weird. So, I mean, I could care less if I get the feeling back or not, but it just feels weird. So, that is what I'm doing today. I have my little situation. I got my little shirt on here. I got my purple cup, got my yellow nails. I got me plenty to do in my bag because I may end up in some kind of book. So, because my case was so rare. So, we're going to talk about that and talk about what other things we can do after I have my shot. I will be getting a shot today. So, yeah. I will try to let you all hear some of what he has to say. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I will see y'all when I get to the doctor. The hospital.
Right now it's just the 1 monthly plan.
Mm-hmm.
We got to see if the 3 monthly plan is here. Did you get that, or do we know about that?
I ordered it. They said it was here.
Let me go. I'm gonna check with the nurse.
Okay. So technically, no one in the world has had a severe case as me. But they're going to see if they can do my shot, and I will be put in the books as far as my case. So I have to sign some papers so they can do the before and after pictures. Um, there will be a study. Nothing that they have to take from me other than just pictures. And yeah, so he said I'm his favorite patient. So, like I told him, no pain other than just, the regular after surgery, you're sore and all that, but no pain. Like I said, I'm going to turn the phone over and I'm going to attempt to get as much as I can without him actually knowing, because some doctors do not want to be filmed and all that extra jazz. So like I said, I'm going to get as much as I can. He went to go check on my shot, so to see if I can go ahead and get that, because it had to be delivered, because it's not a medicine that they just have hanging around. So stay tuned.
I'll figure out if I'm going to extend it for a year or start you on birth control pills.
Okay.
Any side effects from the Lupron?
No, nothing other than I just have hot flashes, but I was kind of having that before the Lupron, so I can't really tell the difference as if it's just making the hot flashes worse or whatever. But since the Lupron, I feel better. Since the bad stuff was taken out, I feel better.
Good. All right. I just need a signature, and I want to show you. I don't even know if I have to do this, but I'm just doing it because that's the rush way. So my name, and then Dr. Amir is the resident. She's working with me on it. I'll just photograph a postoperative scar. I'll be doing it on my phone, and then I'll send it to Dr. Amir, and then we'll destroy it afterwards. So we can just download it onto the paper. Okay? Just a second here. Today's date is, today's not the 2nd, today's the 6th, isn't it?
The night.
The 9th, yeah. Oh, I got you.
I put it right here.
Yeah. Do you have any follow-up with Dr. Berman, or is he said just come and see me now? Did you have a lot of drainage from it?
When I first got home, I did. One side would always drain more than the other side would, so it was this side that drained more. But it started going down to where it was like a 5, and then I just couldn't even put numbers to it just because it wasn't draining as much.
It's like that. Look at that. Okay, perfect. Just then scoop. Just slide your. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Wow, looks a lot better, huh?
Yes.
Just take a. Yeah. You got a big pocket right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then by the next time you see me, hopefully, I want to show you the final product.
So they're going to do a study on my case? Okay.
To help other people.
Okay.
It's so rare that we have to teach other doctors about this.
Okay.
Maybe this is like a new change of the disease process or something like that.
Right.
So we want to be able to educate doctors on what we did and how we were successful.
Okay.
Okay, I think that should be good. Let's take a look at these real quick. Yeah, perfect. Okay, excellent. Let me clear up everything. You had such a wonderful group of people who were supporting me. And I met some of them in the beginning, but then at the end there's like all these other people, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I have permission to talk to these people. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the one that has the real long hair. Because she had some issues of her own with having the cancer and her lady parts too, so she understood a lot, and I just felt comfortable with her.
Oh, of course, yeah. And that's good to have an advocate, because my goodness, you were suffering so much, and I'm so glad I was able to help you. I mean, I'll tell you, it was like, wow, what you've gone through, right? It's terrible.
Thank you for helping.
You're very welcome. Thank you for your trust. Well, you're still gonna be my patient, so don't worry about that. So you're gonna have a shot today. Come see me in like not 3 months, but maybe 2 months and like 3 weeks, so we can get that next shot in.
Okay.
I don't want you to go without a shot.
Okay.
For the next 2 shots.
Okay. So when I do after this shot, I need to call to reorder it to have them send it here again. Okay.
And then you make an appointment to see me like in like 2 months and 3 weeks or something like that. I don't know whatever the schedule looks like. 'Cause you can get it early.
Okay.
I just don't want you to be late for it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And if something comes up, otherwise you can send me a my chart message.
Okay.
All right. Well, God bless you. Okay.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
I feel good, and thank you again.
You're so very welcome. Candace is gonna come in. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now all I'm waiting on is to get my shot, and like you heard, I don't have to come back until about two months and three days or whatever. And that's to get my shot again. Like I said, I look good. He said I look better. I actually feel better. So I'm going to keep doing that, and I am going to, I need to find some recipes for me that can help me with my anti-inflammatory issues. I know I've heard people say turmeric, add turmeric to my food. Let's see if I can get some of that today. But like I said, overall, I'm doing good. So I am going to get this shot, and when she comes in here, I will be back. So I am home. So I got my shot in my left arm right here. It is sore as hell. But I got the shot. My next appointment is May the 11th. That's when I go back to get another shot. And he is going to continue to look at my stomach. So, got that. I got this. So, because I have to order my medicine from a different pharmacy, I have to order it in time enough, for it to be delivered to my doctor's office. This is not your regular Walgreens. This is Walgreens Alliance. So, I guess it's like where the cancer patients and other hard medicines to, I guess, keep you from being in pain or something, something that the normal Walgreens can't give you. So I guess this hardcore stuff is what is at this special Walgreens. So I got a pamphlet, a book to read on that. I'm going to call them and see when I need to order my shot. And that is about it. So yeah, so like I said, it was quick. I thought it was going to take longer than that, but it was quick. So I'm going to actually rest my bones because normally when I get the shot, it have me a little tired. So um, I'm going to wait on my kids to get out of school and take a little nappy nap while they watch a movie. And well, that's even if I take a nap, I may just lay here. But they did tell me to come home and rest, so I'm going to do that. And like I said, that was all as far as the doctor. Like I said, it was super quick. So, um, yeah. So I will see y'all next time. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. Use hashtag Warrior Squad. Drop the questions down below, and if I can answer them, I will. I am located in Chicago, Illinois. So this doctor is in Chicago, Illinois. So if you're in Chicago, I highly, highly, highly suggest that you see this doctor because he was good to me. No lies told. Okay? So yeah, I am going to get ready to get off of here. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.